Recycling is very important in North America because plastic products are a major part of our economy, and as much as they are sometimes a liability to the environment, there's no getting rid of them. So brand owners, plastic producers, chemical companies all realize they play a part in recovery and also producing recycled materials. So right now we see a lot of investment, we see a lot of focus towards providing products that our customers and other customers can use that include recycled materials. Krones right now is a part of a lot of different projects across all of North America. We are recycling PET, we're recycling polyolefins, we're working with companies that collect waste, we're working with packaging companies, and we're working with a lot of different end users that use our packaging lines every day. So we touch every aspect of recycling, from the waste that comes off of the household all the way to the package that has the recycled content in it. So we see a complete closed loop, and we provide solutions that have every aspect of that. Today, the trends we see are consumers asking for sustainable solutions in their packaging. They're looking for materials that when they put it in their waste bins or their recycling bins, that they know that it's not going to the landfill. They want to know that they'll see that package back in another product or the same product. So what Krones does is we look at a holistic approach to each type of package that our machines produce. Is the material sustainable from a recycling standpoint? Are the additives, are the closures, are the labels, are they compatible with the recycling stream? The whole package has to be something that is sustainable. Sometimes we think about just the plastic, but there's more. There's the paper, the fiberboard, the shrink wrap. So we look at every part of it, and so do our customers. Our customers want to know that there are solutions for that, not just from the design standpoint, but from the collections and the processing standpoint. So Krones Recycling Solutions addresses all the needs, from design of the package to the end of life to the reuse.